Investment advice you need in your 20s. Millionaires use this? Welcome back to Ace Wealth Strategies. We're your trusted guide in the world of finance, wealth, and money. Your go-to channel for unlocking the secrets of building wealth. Whether you're just starting out or looking to level up your financial game, we've got you covered. From beginners to seasoned investors, we're here to help everyone navigate the path to financial freedom. Today, we're about to unveil the investment secrets that millionaires swear by, especially tailored for those in their 20s. If you've ever wondered how to kickstart your financial journey and set the stage for a prosperous future, you're in the right place. In this episode, we'll unravel the secrets of early investments, decode the stock market, and give you a roadmap to real estate riches. Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned investor, this is the guide you've been waiting for. So let's get started. Your 20s are a transformative decade. It's a time of firsts, first job, first paycheck, and for many, the first taste of financial independence. But with this newfound freedom comes responsibility. How you manage and invest your money now can shape your financial trajectory for years to come. Investing isn't just about throwing money into stocks and hoping for the best. It's about understanding market dynamics, recognizing opportunities, and mitigating risks. So number one is to start by educating yourself. Read books, attend seminars, and consider seeking advice from financial advisors. Knowledge is your most potent weapon in the investment battlefield. Speaking of the stock market, it's a dynamic world where companies rise and fall, but it's also a place where fortunes are made. While it might seem intimidating at first, with the right knowledge and approach, it can be a powerful tool to grow your wealth. Remember, the stock market isn't just about today's trends, it's about long-term growth and potential. Now, let's talk stocks. The stock market can be a roller coaster, but it's also a place of great opportunity. Begin with areas you're familiar with. Here comes number two. Spread your investments to manage risks. And always remember, markets will have their ups and downs, but historically, they tend to grow over time. Stay informed, be patient, and don't let short-term changes scare you off. From the stock market to the realm of real estate, it's evident that the world of investments is vast and varied. While stocks offer a dynamic playfield for those with a keen eye for trends, real estate presents a different kind of challenge and opportunity. Both require diligence, research, and a strategic approach. Real estate is often touted as one of the most reliable investment avenues. But it's not just about buying any property, it's about making informed choices. Number three would definitely be to do your research. In real estate, you can research emerging neighborhoods, understand market trends, and consider factors like accessibility and future development plans. Real estate is a long game, and patience often yields the most significant rewards. Hey there, taking a quick pause from our wealth-building insights. If you're finding value in this video and want to stay updated with all our latest strategies, do us a favor. Hit that subscribe button below, give us a like, and don't forget to ring that notification bell. By doing so, you'll be the first to know when we drop fresh content designed to help you maximize your financial potential. All right, let's jump back in and continue our journey to financial success. All right, folks, moving on to another crucial aspect of investments, diversification. You've probably heard the saying, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Well, this couldn't be truer in the world of investing. Diversification is your safety net against market volatility. By spreading your investments across various assets, you reduce the risk of a significant loss. So, our fourth tip for you is diversify, diversify, diversify. Whether it's stocks, bonds, real estate, or even cryptocurrencies, having a diverse portfolio can be your ticket to steady growth. Now, onto something that's often overlooked but is incredibly vital: emergency funds. Before diving deep into investments, Ensure you have an emergency fund in place. Life is unpredictable, and having a safety net can save you from financial distress. Our fifth piece of advice is to set aside 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses in a liquid account. This way, you won't have to dip into your investments during unforeseen circumstances. Another game changer in your 20s is the power of compound interest. Albert Einstein once said, "Compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world." And he wasn't wrong. Starting early gives your investments more time to grow, and the interest you earn gets reinvested, leading to exponential growth over time. So, tip number 6, start early and take advantage of compounding. Before we wrap up, a shout out to our amazing community. Your support and engagement drive us to deliver top-notch content. If you're enjoying our easy breakdowns, give us a thumbs up and share with friends and family. Lastly, remember that investing is a marathon, not a sprint. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement of quick gains, but true wealth is built over time. Stay committed, be consistent, and always keep your long-term goals in sight. And our final tip, number 7, stay the course and trust the process. Markets will fluctuate, trends will change, but with a solid strategy and a clear vision, you're on the path to financial success. And that wraps up our episode on investment advice tailored for those in their 20s. We hope you found these insights valuable and are now better equipped to navigate the world of finance. Navigating the financial world can often feel like a maze, especially when you're just starting out. But here's the good news. You're not alone on this journey. With every challenge comes an opportunity to learn and grow. Think of your 20s as the foundation-building years. Just like building a house, the stronger the foundation, the more resilient and lasting the structure will be. So take the time to educate yourself, seek advice, and most importantly, trust in your ability to make informed decisions. The path to financial success isn't always straight, but with determination and the right knowledge, you're well on your way to creating a legacy of wealth and prosperity. Remember, every step you take today shapes your tomorrow. And while the world of investments might seem like a vast ocean, with the right tools and mindset, you can navigate it like a pro. We're super excited to see where your money journey takes you. And hey, we're always here to guide, support, and cheer you on. So, if you've got questions, thoughts, or just want to share your success stories, drop them in the comments below. If our episode resonated with you, show some love with a thumbs up and share the wealth of knowledge. Let's journey together, turning challenges into stepping stones. Until next time, stay informed, stay inspired, and let's ace the financial game.